Hi and welcome to the Dees Channel. So I have finally completed this bathroom that I've been working on for quite a bit of time, and I have had a great experience doing it. Lots of different materials, diverse materials that I've never used before, and some fantastic fittings which really, I must say, came together in a pretty amazing manner. There was a lot of money spent on this, and the clients chose all materials, so it was just down to me to fit them, really. I had a great time. There were a few difficult bits and pieces, a lot of measuring, a lot of double measuring, calculations to get it all right, and I think it came out pretty amazing. So what I'm going to do here today is just put a correlation of everything together in one final cut to show you guys what I do. And I haven't done one of these before, but I thought it might be interesting, you know, just to give you an idea of what the whole process, you know, all the bits and pieces and what the finished product is. I'm obviously going to put this on my website, so yeah, I'm really happy with it, and I hope you guys like it as well. I really look forward to your comments. If you like what I'm doing, just hit the subscribe, give me a like, throw me a comment. I will always try to respond as quick as I can, and I look forward to chatting with you. So here's the video. Let's jump into it, and I'll catch you in a little while. Thanks. So that was the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Tell me what you think. It's always a great pleasure talking to people, chatting to people, hearing their comments. I'm really looking forward to the next one. So I've left a link for a video on the sink that I installed in this particular bathroom, so you can see how that's done. And there's loads of other videos in my playlists on plumbing and bathrooms and fitting out stuff, so if you need those, just jump into one of my playlists. I can't wait to hear from you. Really looking forward to getting on the next job. Obviously COVID-19 has been a big hassle in everybody's life, including mine. I hope you're all safe. I hope you stay safe. And I look forward to catching you on the next one. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.